Alrighty, so today was interesting to go flying. So to start, there was a lot of landscaping going on, essentially going on everywhere throughout the park. Sledgehammer's still not done, but it looks like they're working really hard on that today. They got the generator going, the cranes in, lifting things into place. All right, so on the construction site, as you can see, if you look off to the left in the Lakeside Lagoon and Splashworks, as I predicted, we have timber kits going up for the locker areas, what I assume is the locker areas. It's going to look stunning. I mean, from this far away, it looks stunning already. I'm so happy that they chose to go with timber kits. They're doing amazing things in the park, and it just reflects that whole Canadiana theme that the park is aggressively going after. And we saw a bit of timber kits earlier with Muskoka Plunge and that little seating area near it, if you look closely. Now, on the construction site, lots of digging going on, water work going on, and they're laying down grass by the looks of it. So finally, grass is going on near the other tunnel, and that is what is arriving in that truck right there. So it's a bunch of sod, and you have a little sod watering truck here and there arriving and watering and stuff like that. So you can see it. The thing is, I can't tell if it's rolled grass or if they just sprayed like that green sod soil stuff that eventually turns into grass. I can't tell until I get there. It looks like they sprayed the bottom portion, but at the top portion, it looks like, the rollout sod, so it's like ready to go because I think they've seen lots of people are stepping on it to get a good view of the tunnel. No additional theming on the Windseeker side of the tunnel yet. Nothing up there. Just all together, lots of work going on everywhere. I mean, it looks like worker bees swarming the park here and there. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've seen today. Like Lakeside Lagoon is finally taking shape, so that's awesome. Just massive construction and very active construction. I mean, again, take this into account. Carowinds is supposed to be getting a Mac double launch coaster for 2019, and they're just starting. Canada's Wonderland's getting a dive coaster. We know that. But they've started so early. So what about this dive coaster is unique? Like, what is it? Like, what are we going to be looking at? Because something is off. Something about starting this so early, and winter isn't the case. This whole construction process has been going on through the winter. So don't throw that at me because it's not that. As you see, literally like all these footers and the tunnel was built through winter. At this point, if it was just a dive coaster, we know it is. I'm not saying it isn't. It would be, they could have it open like end of July, August if they really wanted to, or even September, October. So there's something about this we're missing, and I want you guys to think about that. What possibly could we be looking at with this dive coaster? We know Cedar Fair is heading down a theming direction. Hint, hint, wink, wink. That is my prediction, is we're going to be looking at a lot of theming. So as you can see, there's a crane lifting the boats into Whitewater Canyon, doing some work there on the little theming area that they had removed earlier in the winter, if you remember me talking about that. So that was pretty cool. But yeah, I'm interested to see how aggressive that they go into theming for this coaster. I'm expecting a full out like Canadian themed dive coaster. At this point, I'm throwing Ziz out into the garbage. I don't think Ziz is coming to Canada's Wonderland. I think Ziz is long gone, and this is going to be the Canadiana theming that they talked about. We heard in several interviews now, even not in our own interview, in other people's interviews on the radio. Grace and all of them are talking about Canada's Wonderland becoming literally Canada's Wonderland, and they want to be that destination park. So that'll be really cool. Anyways, keep watching. There's some pretty cool footage. I go in and zoom in really close on the sod truck, obviously, over the field. But that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Obviously, like this video, subscribe if you haven't. Have a good one, guys. Thanks so much.